Hi everybody and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm doing the long-awaited weight loss journey update. It has officially been over a year now since I started trying to lose all my postpartum weight, or my baby weight as people say. Now, the first video that I put up was in November 2016 and it is now officially over a year, and I thought it was definitely time to update you guys on how I look, how much weight I've lost, how many centimeters I lost, and how I feel mentally and physically. First of all, I just want to talk about how I'm feeling nowadays compared to how I was feeling in that first video that I did. In that first video, I was very down about my weight. I wasn't confident at all. I really hated myself. It affected mine and Jason's relationship sexually a lot. I just didn't want Jason to really see me naked because I absolutely hated how I looked. I used to cover my body quite a bit with clothes. I used to wear really daggy clothes, really loose fitted clothes, because I felt comfortable more that way, where people didn't actually see my true size because I was wearing clothes way too big for what I should have been. Then in that video I was wearing a size 12, but I should have been wearing a size 14 because 12s were way too tight on me and definitely didn't fit as a 12 should, so I definitely should have been a size 14. Then I was suffering a little bit of postnatal depression, and I really haven't talked about it before, but I was suffering from postnatal depression back in 2016. Also back then I was an emotional eater. I just ate and ate and ate and ate, and I used to eat even if I wasn't hungry. I just used to eat. I was a big snacker. I was snacking on bad things. I was going and getting a lot of junk food a couple times a week, more than a couple of times a week, and I knew it was bad for me, but I just kept on doing it. Now look at me, a year and a bit onwards, I'm completely different. I snack very rarely these days, and mostly if I do, it's on very healthy stuff. I've dropped 2 dress sizes. I feel more happy, confident, and I absolutely love how my body looks these days. My relationship with Jason has dramatically changed, and I don't feel uncomfortable naked in front of him anymore. Even though there is a few things I still don't like 100% about my body, I am still confident and comfortable with showing my body. And one thing I've noticed is I sleep better, I have better skin, I have more energy, and I'm just downright happy. Just quickly did my measurements, and I wanted to show you guys my measurements before I show you my body, just so you kind of get an idea of how my body has lost its weight. So back in November in 2016, my bust was 100 centimeters. It is now 94 centimeters. Hips were 111 centimeters. They are now 107. My arms were 33 centimeters. They are now only down to 32. My thigh was 67 centimeters. It is now 61. My stomach was 89 centimeters, and now it is 84. Means I've lost a total of 22 centimeters in a year. It makes me really happy that those are gone and they're never coming back. Also, I weighed myself, and back in November 2016 I was hitting 80 kilos. I am now officially 69.7 kilos, so I've almost lost 12 kilos. It's honestly crazy to think that I've lost that much weight. It doesn't feel like I've lost that much weight, but I know I still have a little bit more weight to get off my body, but I'm extremely happy with where I am right now. As you can see, I look dramatically different to what I did back in 2016. I am wearing the exactly same clothes. They're the same sizes, everything. They're exactly the same clothes to what I was wearing back then. So this is my frontal look. This is side on. This is back. This is just the other side, just for reference. And this is the front again. It's honestly crazy to me seeing how much I've changed within a year, seeing how I've changed mentally, physically, everything. It's crazy how much I've changed. I'm so happy I did it. I'm so happy I kept on working really hard for what I wanted, how I wanted to look like, and I just kept on doing it. And I just want to let everyone out there know, if you're working to get to a goal, keep on going. You can do it, you can achieve it, and I believe in you. Now that we've shared a little bit of positivity right now, I'm going to get going because I'm starving and I need to eat some lunch. But I hope you all enjoyed seeing how I look a year and a bit on from my weight loss journey. And if there's any other videos that you would like me to do based on my weight loss or how to keep motivated or anything like that, please feel free to comment them down below and I'm happy to do them for you all. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and maybe hit that subscribe button if you want to see more from me. And we'll see you all next time. Bye.